Hi, ayan na. It's boiling. Kumukulo na. Lagay na natin yung rice. Nahugasan. I already washed this and then soak it. So, marami siya. So, mix natin. And then, isahan. We're gonna taste the sauce ko. Okay lang. You can add little salt. Final. Ito. So, it's gonna be the final one. See? I guess yung dako. So, ilagay natin ang peas. Mix it again. Put carrots. And then we can add that later. Malapit na siyang maluto. So now, we can cover this. And then just cook it in. I'm gonna add more of this. Turmeric. This is turmeric. See, it starts. It's gonna be look like this. So, takpan. You're gonna cover it. Wait for I hope hindi kulang sa tubig. Mukhang magdadagdag ako ng water. A little water. Mukhang kulang tubig natin. Not sure. Let's try again. Kung madudong tayo salt. It's good. Okay. Halo-halo. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna cover it. Wait for saka pahinaan ang apoy. Make it slow. Okay. See? I'll see you in another 25 minutes, guys.